Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing well and I'm so happy to see you all. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my mini haul of the products which I've purchased during the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. Recently Nykaa had this summer sale going on and I picked few products from them. So I wanted to show you those, and I also wanted to show you some products which I bought from Cult as well at a pretty good discount rate. Before we go ahead with the video, if you're watching me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. Please take a second to subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the two boxes of products which I have got. First I'll show you the product which I bought from Nykaa, and then I'll show you the products which I purchased from Cult. So I'll show you one by one what all I have got. So the very first product which I bought as a summer essential for me, it is this body roll-on. This body roll-on from the brand called Plum Body 11. Now this body roll-on is going to keep your odor at bay, and it also got glycolic acid and 4% lactic acid, which is going to help in tackling your underarm pigmentation if you have any. This is my third repurchase. I have already used 2 tubes of this and I absolutely love it. So this is my first product which I purchased. Now my second purchase is a perfume, again from the same brand called Plum Body 11. Now I love their Smoking Vanilla Vibes range. I have already used the body mist and my best friend is so addicted to it. She loved it so much I gave it to her. I wanted to restock that. I wanted to buy another bottle of the same body mist, but I then thought, let me try the perfume. So I went ahead and bought the perfume from the same range. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a very beautiful packaging, very yellowish, very summery. And if you open, this is how it looks, and here we have the perfume bottle. Now we get 15 ml of product in this bottle. This is how the bottle looks. It's a glass bottle, so be careful when you're traveling with this. Now the only concern and the only thing which I was shocked when I opened it was, if you see, this much of quantity is missing. It's not there. It's supposed to be filled completely, but surprisingly this much is not there. That's the only disappointing part. Other than that, this is a really good perfume. If you're somebody who feels a vanilla perfume is too sweet for you, or if you have tried their Vanilla Vibes perfume and you found too sweet for you, do give this a shot. This has got the subtle sweetness of vanilla and also got that spiciness which does not give you that headache due to that sweetness. It smells so good and it makes you feel so luxurious at the same time. So definitely give this a shot. Now with these two products, I got one free product, that is this combo. It is their bath and body kit combo. Now they have got a shower gel, a body lotion and a body mist. Let me just open. This is their Vanilla Vibes body mist. This is what I was talking about. This has got the sweetness in it. So if you're not a very big fan, try the Smoking Vanilla one. And they also have a shower gel. This is from their Hawaiian Rumba range. And finally, they have a body lotion. It is a vanilla caramel. I have already tried it and I love it so much. I'm definitely going to purchase the bigger bottle of this lotion. It smells so good. If you're somebody who loves vanilla caramel fragrance, do give this a shot. I'll just show you how it looks. So this is the consistency. Blends into the skin, does not feel heavy or sticky. It's super lightweight. Even you can use this during the summer times. And it smells so fresh. This is not something which is very overpowering. It's very subtle. So if you're somebody who likes that subtle fragrance of vanilla and caramel, do give this a shot. You will definitely like it. So I am definitely going to repurchase the full size of this product, that is for sure. So the next product which I bought is from the brand called Mars. It is their set of 10 lip liners. Now these lip liners are the new shades. Yeah, I didn't know that Mars had launched their set of new shades. I already own the first 10 shades. I'll just show you. So these are the 10 shades which I already own and I've already swatched them on my channel. Do check them out. That is one of the most loved video of this channel. If you're interested, please do check out. I'll put it in the iCard above. So this is their new shades of lip liners. They have from 11 to 20. Now this range is catered to more of dusky skin tones. Almost all the lip liners are meant to be dusky skin tone friendly, but I'm yet to try that. So this is the packaging, how it looks like. It comes in a basic plastic packaging, but I'm more interested in the lip liners than the packaging. So these retail for 69 rupees individually. I bought all of them together for 550 rupees, I believe. So that's a price which I paid. And these are one of the best quality lip liners under budget. Trust me on this. So stay tuned for the swatches of these lip liners. Now apart from that, I bought a mascara from Mars again. It is the Double Trouble mascara. I have heard a lot of good things about this mascara. I've already used their Mars Fabulous mascara. That is also a really good affordable mascara. So I thought might as well try this. First of all, it comes in a very beautiful packaging. This is how it looks. It has got two wands. The first one is for lengthening. The second one is for volume. So I'll show you the wands as how they look. So the top part is for length. So this is the wand. This is how it looks. And the second one is for volume. So this is how it looks. So I'm definitely looking forward to use these. So these are the two products which I bought from Mars, and they had an offer going on that if you buy products above $6.99, you get a lipstick free from their buttercream range. Now this is the lipstick which I got for free. This is their non-transfer butter stick, and it's in the shade Friday Night 21. I'll just give you a swatch of this. Oh, so it's a very beautiful magenta pink color. It's going to look beautiful on all the skin tones. And this is meant to be transfer proof. Those were all the products which I bought from Nykaa. Going ahead with the product which I bought from Cult. The first product is this lip balm from Minimalist. It is their L-ascorbic acid lip balm. This lip balm is meant for lip pigmentation. Now I have got pigmented lips, so I wanted to try this product and see how it works on my pigmented lips. Now this retails for 399 rupees. Now the next product which I have bought is an eye cream. Now I'm not an eye cream person. I've never used an eye cream in my life, but now I started getting fine lines under my eyes. So I thought let's try this product and see if it actually works or not. So this is the vitamin K plus 1% retinol eye cream, meant to show visible difference on your under eye fine lines and also for your dark circles. I do not face a lot of dark circle issue, but fine line is my concern, so I bought this. Let's see how it works. Let me open this and show you. So this is how it looks. So this is the eye cream. So I'm looking forward to use. It's a pretty expensive one. Eye creams are usually expensive, and most of the time it does not serve any purpose, but since it has got vitamin K and retinol is targeted to take care of your fine lines and wrinkles. So I have really good hopes on this particular product. Let's see how it works. So this has got 14 grams of product and it retails for 499 rupees. So the next product which I purchased from Cult is again from Minimalist. It is their underarm roll-on. It is the nanopeptide and 6% AHA underarm roll-on. It is meant to control your body odor, underarm odor, and also help in your pigmentation in the underarm area. So this is the product. Let me open. So this is the bottle, and it is a glass bottle. It doesn't have any fragrance as such, but it is meant to control your odor and take care of your pigmentation. So I'll start using this and provide you an update after some time on my shots. Another product which I bought is a pharma product. It is the 6% glycolic acid. Now glycolic acid is used to target pigmentation. Now if you see, I have got these marks which are left behind by the pimples. So I wanted to try this product. I heard a lot of good stuff. So I want to try this cream and see how good it is for my skin. That's why I bought this. Now this product retails for 220 rupees. So those were all the products which I bought from Cult. Apart from this, I also got a free product. Now the free product is a blush. This is from this brand called Barry M. Now this seems to be an UK brand. I've never used this brand or never heard of this brand. I feel this brand is only available in Cult, and this came as a free product. This is in the shade Deep Rose. Now this is a very beautiful rose shade with a hint of brown going on, and this shade is going to look beautiful on all skin tones, especially on dusky skin tones. It's gonna look very pretty. I used this on the other day and it looked so good. It gave me a subtle flush of color on my cheeks and on my lips, and I totally loved this. It has got a velvety matte finish. It's not a dewy blush at all. So I'll just give you a swatch and show you. So yeah, so this is the blush. It goes a long way and it blends beautifully on the skin. This is the color, and this color is something which can look good on all skin tones. Even dusky skin tones can use this particular blush. If you're interested to buy this separately as well, you can get it. It retails for around 700 or so, but I got it for free. Those were all the products which I bought, and guess the price which I paid for all these products. I paid just 530 rupees for all these products, wherein the eye cream itself individually costs for 499 rupees. The coupon code which I used to buy these products is Summer Treat. You can check if it is valid now, and even you can avail this discount on Cult app. So yeah, those were all the products which I wanted to show you. I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know if you purchased anything from Nykaa or Cult in the recent past. So that's it from my side. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.